Well, hello fans, welcome back to our humble little gardening channel here from South Wales, where we're looking at these Cordyline palms here that are growing in our little roundabout that you will have seen us planting various flowers and bulbs and growing these palm trees which erupted into flower earlier this spring, and they were glorious and made a real feature of the roundabout, and now they have set hundreds, well actually thousands of seeds on here. And normally I'm always on the lookout for Cordyline seeds so we can raise some more seedlings in the school project. Here's the other one over here. But with these particular palms, I want to try and encourage as much new growth as possible. You can see exactly what happens here actually when they flower. Oh, there's a nice spider there. Oh, he disappeared, a bit camera shy. What happens is that as soon as the plant produces a flower spike, there it comes from the middle of the plant. Can you see what's happened? It's produced 2 new shoots. It starts to multi-branch from the point of that flower spike. And I want to get as much new growth on these Cordylines as possible this summer. I'm doing this in early July here in the UK. So that is quite a thick flower stem here. So as if by magic, I need to get some heavy duty pruners onto that, and I'm trying to film this with one hand, and I need 2 hands for the pruners, so a little bit of magic required here. Ta-da! There you go. Now I've got to work out how I can actually cut it with one hand. Ooh, it's a 2-handed implement. Bear with. Here we go. Whoa. There we go. It's going. That was easy. So there we are. You can see exactly what's going to happen now. These 2 really strong looking shoots that are going to grow either side of where that flower stem was. And you can see actually on that one just behind, which flowered last year, it's there's at least 2 new shoots, maybe more than 2. So I'm going to do the same on that one there, and I can see 2 shoots starting on that one as well. Let's have a little look. There we are, look, you can see them. Yes, and we would hope to get at least another foot worth of growth on those, and by doing this prune now, cutting off the seed heads, I'm hoping that all the energy will go to the new growth, and we'll get that new growth earlier in the summer than we might have done if we left the seed head on. And if it's earlier growth, it then means it's got more time in the autumn to ripen off, to get toughened up, ready for any cold winter weather. And we did have quite a chilly winter last year. I've just noticed another good reason why it might have been prudent for me to have taken away the flowering shoot on the second palm, is that there's a lovely, so we've got not just 2 new shoots of strong new growth. There's a third one coming just there. There's a third one coming just there. Can you see him? And he's got deformed. He's got trapped underneath the strong flowering stem there, and so he's going to be going off at a kind of a right angle there, which will look a bit odd. So the sooner I can get rid of this and allow this this third shoot to grow more upright, the better. I better do it now. Yeah. It is a bit of a shame, because if you look on here, you can see all those seeds. But thankfully, we've got about 5 of these Cordylines in our garden, and we've got loads of bunches of seeds on there. So we're going to have more than enough seed. And if you wanted to leave some of your flower heads on to harvest some seed, I would say that you would need to wait until the middle of winter, when those seeds turn kind of a whitey brown colour. And if you wanted more details on that, if you nip onto our channel, this sounds like an advert, doesn't it? You could also subscribe to our channel. You can nip onto our channel and scroll down, go onto the playlist for, I think it's Hardy Exotics and Palms, and you'll see lots of videos about how we've grown Cordylines from seeds. Any questions, any thoughts, any comments, we would love to hear from you. I've just spotted there's some brown leaves underneath there, which we can cut off too, we'll do that on a separate video.